This video shows you how to draw a prehistoric plant called horsetails. You're going to need a pen, a pencil and an eraser. We're going to use a pen just to make a bit of a plan, and very gently, don't press too hard because then it's really hard to rub out the pencil marks later. We want to draw something like that, and then this is going to be the ground. And then very, very gently, we're going to sort of draw these curves like that. And then we can get a pen. And then we can get a pen. And what we're going to do is draw these funny little triangles coming out like this. So these are... So the grass grows up and these bits and these sort of leaves sprout out, but these are little covers to the leaves. And we'll just draw these first, and you can colour these in a sort of an orangey red. Like that, and one up on the same on this side. And then we want to do these leaves. So they're going to start with a little short one and a nice long one going sideways. And then these get a bit shorter and they're slightly curving again like that. So sideways, sideways. And then you change the shape of the curve. Okay, curving that way, down to the middle, curve the other way. And then we're going to do the same over on this side, like this. So these grew in prehistoric times, and they grow still today, and there's different types. And there's one called mare's tail, which is really, really terrible. If you get it in your garden, you'll never get rid of it. And it's so strong it can grow underneath concrete and grow through concrete and crack it and the tarmac of the road and everything. So these are our little leaves, and then we can draw the stem of the plant as well. So this is going to come up like this. So we can follow that pencil line, and then we're going to bring that up just a little bit to there, and we can carry on doing the same with these ones here. And just take your time, there's no hurry. You don't have to rush drawing. I've had a lot of experience, so maybe I go a little bit fast. But while you're practicing and learning, just take your time. And it'll all come together at the end. And then up at the top here, then we want this sort of, this is where the seeds are. So we're just going to do this kind of scribble, scribble, scribble. Like that. Like that. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines. And because you drew them so lightly, no one will ever know that you planned it out. They just think you're a genius artist. And then this needs to be growing out of the ground. So we'll just put some kind of stuff down here, other bits of grass and things. So it's just sort of growing out of the ground. And that's how you draw mare's tails. If you've watched this far, you like drawing, so click the subscribe button now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.